Okay, welcome in social online class, everyone, once again. Which people are waiting for me, but what is happening? Okay, today's topic I have told you already, lesson 4.2. From that lesson, major topic goes like that. See here, major topic, domestic violence and untouchability. घरेलु हिंसा र छुवाछुत प्रथा. Okay. It is from lesson 4.2, domestic violence and untouchability, घरेलु हिंसा र छुवाछुत प्रथा. What type of social evil these are? Today we will discuss on it. Especially, we'll try to know its definition. Okay, we'll try to know them. Here, that's but yes, and we'll discuss on the causes of those social evil, even effect of those social evil, and even their solution measure. How can we solve them? Okay, if they are existing as a social evil in our society. These are to some extent familiar topic for all of you. I hope so. I think so. Look here now. Let me use the pen one pen. Okay, let me use. Look here. Today's topic is, I have told you, major topic is domestic violence and untouchability. First of all, let's talk about domestic violence. Okay, what is domestic violence? First of all, let's talk about it. Look here, domestic violence. What is domestic violence? Look here, I've brought the definition of domestic violence. It is called in Nepali, घरेलु हिंसा. Domestic violence is the domination. Are you listening? Domestic violence is the domination, coercion. It means to compel anyone, anybody. Okay, intimidation. Intimidation. It means to make afraid of somebody. Okay, someone. Are you listening? Domestic violence is the domination, coercion, intimidation, and victimization of one person by another, by physical, sexual, or emotional means within intimate relationship. Look here, within who actually victimize you, who causes the domestic violence? Your intimate friend or your intimate man. Either suppose you have got married, your husband who is intimate to you. Okay, your actually brother, your uncle, your maternal uncle, or your actually intimate really who are in your actually who have, I mean, close relationship with you. If your close relatives, okay, close relatives, if physically, sexually, emotionally, victimize you, compel to do something, dominate you always that you are made of, afraid of something and compel you to do something else there regarding sex, regarding other things, such kind of activities which are compelled to do, I mean, compelled to do you by your intimate relatives or close relatives, it is known as domestic violence. One simple example, that I haven't brought example, but I'll tell you example. If husband, that if any woman or husband, that suppose have developed illicit sexual relationship with another woman there outside the home, and if he comes late night and beats wife every night, that it is called domestic violence. If suppose one actually man is what is drunkard, he always come at the home at the midnight and actually beat wife, children, and that create their horrible situation, in the family, torture the family members, wife, children, always. If it is happening also, it is also domestic violence. Therefore, simply keep in mind, domestic violence is the domination, coercion, intimidation, and victimization of one person by another by physical, sexual, and emotional means within intimate relationship. There won't be the other person to make you the victim of the domestic violence. Your one relatives, your one brother, your one sister, your one maternal uncle, uncles shall be the victim. I mean, those person can victimize you. Okay, can change you the victim of the domestic violence there within a home. Okay, now let's go to the next topics. Next subtopic. What is here? Causes of domestic violence. What are the causes of domestic violence? Especially causes of the domestic violence. Look here. One of the cause of the domestic
What you
violence.
also need, sir? So,
Okay, look here. Dowry. Daiju Pratha. If one girl, suppose newly married girl, couldn't take enough dowry to her husband, what is done from the first day of the marriage in her life, her actually bad days start there. Regarding dowry, it's actually bad effect and a bad effect which affects so severely to the newly married girl. Regarding this, you have studied many times, in social studies in your junior classes. Therefore, dowry is the one of the major cause of the domestic violence, especially who become the victims of the domestic violence, who can take the dowry, who do not get the dowry from father's home or her husband home after marriage on marriage ceremony. Another cause of domestic violence is property inheritance. Okay, difficult to pronounce inheritance. Okay, inheritance especially. Property inheritance issues. It means you uh, parental property. Regarding parental property, what is there? There is also domestic violence. Uh, One parents, that a parent who have daughter and son, uh, that regarding daughter, on her marriage ceremony, some goods such as cupboard, that television set, some amount of money are given as a dowry on her marriage ceremony by their parents regarding the case of in case of the girls, in case of the daughter. But rest property, which is remaining with her parents, is used by, owned by son, her one brother, elder brother or younger brother. Is it not a domestic violence? Definitely, it is also domestic violence. Therefore, property inheritance issue also causes domestic violence. Many girls, women are being tortured. They are not given parental property. Although present constitution of Nepal has, that has made provision to give, to give the parental property to the daughter as well. Look here, another reason is here. Another reason, illicit relationship, especially husband. Already I have given you example in the beginning when I was trying to define the domestic violence. If husband have, that develop illicit sexual relationship, illegal sexual relationship with another woman outside, such man, such husband always, that torture the wife at the home, who is a wife at the home, who is actually, working as a household manager at the home. Uh, this is also one of the cause of the domestic violence. If husband, develop the illicit sexual relationship with another woman outside, such man always torture the wife. If woman is tortured without any reason by illicit because of the illicit sexual relationship of the husband, it is called also domestic violence. Similarly, look here, addiction. Addiction also causes the domestic violence. One addict to one who is addicted to drug, who is addicted to alcohol, who is addicted to that other sort of things, like woman also we can say, that woman also, such person always that create very horrible situation in the family, within a family, always suffer the family member there, always dominate the family member there, always school the family wife, their children there, and always create their very horrible situation within the family. Therefore, addiction is also one of the cause of the domestic violence. Similarly, poverty. If that any family is very poor, and family is very poor, there also happens the domestic violence. Especially father try to send their parents try to send their daughter to the other's home for working as a slave, especially as a housemaid, isn't it? Is it not a domestic violence? Definitely domestic violence.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, that friends are joining. Similarly, illiteracy. If any family member are illiterate one, suppose your mother or sister is illiterate one, at that time, knowingly, unknowingly, you might be also torturing them, suffering them, or your father might be also suffering them. Therefore, illiteracy also causes the domestic violence. Who is a highly educated one, such woman can be dominated, can be compelled, can be, they are made afraid of, that so easily by the husband. Keep in mind. Who is not educated, who is, that undereducated or completely illiterate, such woman, such daughter, such female, always become the victim of the domestic violence. Similarly, poor laws, definitely it is the major cause of the domestic violence. If there were strict laws, this domestic violence would be, removed many years back. It would be uprooted many years back from our society, from our family. Therefore, poor laws, that is the major cause of the another cause of the domestic violence. And now look here, political instability. There is political instability. Look here, recently Sherbadu Deva has grabbed the post of the Prime Minister of Nepal. KP Sharma Oli couldn't rule this nation whole period. During his actually ruling period. Still, he had a time to rule the nation. He was elected for the 5 years, but he couldn't rule the nation for whole 5 years because of the conflict which occurred in his one political party. And the Nepali Congress leader, Sherbadu Deva, has got opportunity to be Prime Minister of Nepal. It is called political instability. There is political instability. If there is political instability, a political leader can't pay attention to this kind of domestic violence, social evil, social problem prevailing in nation, can actually allocate budget for them, can do the hard work to remove them from the society, minimize from the society. Because of this reason, such social evil and problems keep on existing in the society. People keep on practicing them. Okay, now look here. Now, effect of the domestic violence. What are the effects of the domestic violence? We have just finished by discussing the causes of the domestic violence. Now, another topic is here. Look here, another topic. What is the topic? Effects of the domestic violence. Effects. Look here, effects. Bad effect. Look here. Attempt suicide or make wrong decision. Whichever woman, newly married girl is tortured because of less dowry, okay, because of many more other reasons, because of the illicit sexual relationship of husband with another woman outside. Such woman, that sometime attempt suicide as well. Even has committed suicide also. Many women, newly married girl has actually lost their life, have committed suicide, and have left this beautiful world because of this very social evil. This is domestic violence. Okay. Similarly, another very bad effect of the domestic violence is loss of social prestige. Yes, who is being tortured there, suffer there within a family, okay, by family members, that uh, one day, that many years or many hours, many days might be hidden such domestic violence of a family, which is happening within a family. But one day it will be public. At that time, what will happen there? They will lose the prestige. Such woman and girl lose the social prestige. Media is there, YouTuber is there, take interview with them. So many such, events incident is taking place these days. If you watch simply, if you go through the YouTube, YouTube, okay, YouTube, that website there you shall find so many YouTube channel which especially disclose the the different incident which has taken place because of the domestic violence, especially rape. Poor family relation. If family member have poor relation, if they do not have a close relationship, okay, if they suspect with each other, suppose husband suspect wife suspect on the behavior and activities of husband, if there is such situation, if daughter and father doesn't have good relationship, if mother and father, mother and son always quarrel with each other, there can be the good relationship, strong family relation, there can happen. There can happen the domestic violence. Similarly, look here, poor social relation. If in society also, it means if we do not have a good relationship with neighbors also, if people of the particular village do not have good relationship, they also can happen domestic violence. छिमेकीकोमा होइन अब जाँड खाएर रक्सी खाएर एकजना पुरुषले छिमेकी अङ्कलले उनको वाइफलाई दिनहुँ अब जसो टर्चर दिइरहेको हुनसक्छ, तर if they do not have good relationship with them, I mean if their neighbor doesn't have good relationship with them, अब उनीहरूले पुलिसलाई पनि खबर गरिदिँदैन, त्यो चाहिँ रमिता हेरेर बसिदिन्छन् क्या. It means such if neighbor, if actually villager doesn't have good relationship also, that also promote the domestic violence. Use drug and alcohol, drug and abuse alcohol. Yes, this is already I told you, drunkard husband always with the wife, and even torture and suffer the children. They are one with good environment for studies. Okay, if there is any family member using the drug, definitely that family member, neighbor can develop. If father suppose is drug user, can you imagine the development and prosperity of that particular family? Neighbor can imagine. Therefore, drug and alcohol is another very serious cause of the domestic violence. Yes, domestic violence. It means what? If anybody is, that the victim of the domestic violence may decide to use drug also to remove the tension, may start to use the alcohol as well. Similarly, look here, develop depression and other mental problem. Most of the depressed women and girls, why they are depressed there, why they have depression, a problem, health problem, it is called depression there, why they have mental problem, why they have changed into the insane woman and girl, because of the domestic violence. If their husband everyday torture her, everyday suffer her, definitely she can't tolerate forever. Either she does divorce or if she is a bold woman, okay, if she is brave and bold woman, she will do the bold decision and do divorce and start new life there, or live a single life, run single life, or if that woman is not, that girl is not bold one, if she if she can do the bold decision, she actually might face the depression also, and one day might change into the insane woman. Okay. Therefore, these are all the bad effects of the domestic violence. Now, what can be done to control this domestic violence, which is one of the serious problem of the Nepalese society? It is existing in the most of the Nepalese family. You might be also familiar with this. You might be also victim of this. Okay. I'm not sure that you are not a victim of the domestic violence. Your parents, especially mothers, are not the victim of the domestic violence. I'm not sure that your parents, your especially mothers, you might be also victim of the domestic violence. Look here, hey, are you listening? Look here now. Some ways of controlling domestic violence. Wherever is problem, there is solution. These are the some solutions. The awareness program against domestic violence. What are domestic violence? What is happening in Nepal? You know that because of illiteracy, because of under education also, Some woman, some girl doesn't know that it is domestic violence, although they are victims of domestic violence. Although they are always suffer torture by their husband, by their brother, by their uncle, sexually, physically, mentally. They don't think that it is the domestic violence. Because of this reason, also it is happening, it is increasing. Therefore, all these programs should be run there to make clear that what is domestic violence, what are the what to say bad effect of the domestic violence. Similarly, build up a good relation with couple. Build up good relation. Suppose you have got married recently, what you should do, you have to that make the good relationship with your spouse, your husband or wife as far as possible. Okay, when there occurs, that occurs problem in a actually relationship with husband or wife, there occurs always domestic violence. Similarly, be civilized and respect others. Okay, this is, we have to be civilized. Suppose look here, I'm husband of someone. Yes, I'm husband of someone. Your man's husband. I'm thus your man's husband. Okay. If I want, that correct my behavior myself, if I want to be civilized myself, if I suppose develop illicit sexual relationship with another woman there outside, definitely I start to hate my wife. I start to see the another woman more beautiful than my wife. Then I can be the cause of the that domestic violence. Therefore, what should be done there? We have to develop the morality in us. We have to respect others. We have to respect wife also. We have to not only love our daughters and children. We have to respect them as well, isn't it? Their thoughts, new thoughts. They are from new generation. These all things should be applied there, honestly. Otherwise, domestic violence cannot be minimized from our society. Similarly, look here, avoid greediness for the properties. Yes, Weber actually is very much greedy for property, also causes the domestic violence. Suppose a newly married girl who can actually bring the enough dowry in her husband, or definitely her husband is tortured because of the less dowry. What does it mean? That her husband is not actually has not married with her for running their life, you know, easily, comfortably, happily. But that man must have married with that girl for property, okay, property, parental property of her parents. Therefore, we have to avoid this. Therefore, as far as possible, people should be morally sound. Yes, morally, I mean, they should be honest one. Otherwise, domestic violence so easily can be removed from the society, can be minimized from the society. Make familial decision through the group decision. Familial decision, if any decision is done within a family, though there must be involved every family member, your father, mother, uncle, auntie, your brother, sister, elder brother, sister, all should be included there within the family. Family, I mean, discussion, in such discussion where they are going to do one bold decision, new decision, okay, there should be included all family members. Otherwise, that can be the cause of the domestic violence in the future. Now, consult police or concerned authority. If there happens always, that quarrelsome between husband and wife, husband if suppose always beat one woman severely there in a neighboring home, what we should do? We have to inform the police. If it is happening in our own home, in our own family, okay, we have to consult the police. In both cases, we have to consult the police. We have to consult with the authority, concerned authority, local leader, and we have to solve it on time. Otherwise, it can causes the divorce also. It can causes the suicide also. So many, that very bad effect, the worst effect can occur there because of the domestic violence. Okay, look here. I have brought picture how actually husband actually beat wife. She might be the wife. Okay, another woman is there. There is one small girl. That she's looking afraid of the uh, behavior of her father. Okay, I guess so. Anyways, this picture, that properly showing you the one of the incident which is going on there, okay, because of the domestic violence. Who are the, that main cause of the domestic violence? Male, because our nation is male dominated society. Look here, one male One actually might be husband, beating wife. Yes, beating woman. Okay, in this way, with such rod or is very big stick, okay, or rod is beating. Nobody actually, one woman or one girl who actually suppose fall in love with one man or boy and suppose has got married. She never imagined that or actually such a man who has a boyfriend for her before marriage, after marriage, husband, beat in this way. Never saw any girl imagine it. She always imagined very beautiful life, comfortable life, happy life with him. Okay, now let's go to the another lesson, another subtopic. Another subtopic is also a bit lengthy. Look here. What is it? Untouchability. Now I am going to focus on my lecture on untouchability. Chhuachhut pratha. We are familiar with this, although it is in our curriculum. Therefore, I am going to teach you in short. Okay, look here. What is untouchability? We were discussing on domestic violence before. Now I have arrived in another subtopic, untouchability. This is also another very serious social evil existing in our society because of Hinduism, because of Hindu religion. Therefore, it is social evil. It's not a social problem. I have told you many times before in our physical class as well. Look here, discrimination done by so-called higher caste, Rai, Limbu, Gurung, Magar, Tamang, Brahmin, Kshatri. What do they think? They think that they are a higher caste than other castes of people who comes under the untouchable community. They have such actually kind of illusion because of the influence of the Hindu religion. They have
Karma
a
Birad.
yes, one sort of thought is there. Because of that illusion and thought, they behave accordingly. They discriminate the so-called lower caste people. Yes, so-called lower caste people. Who? Rai, Limbu, Gurung, Magar, Tamang, Brahmin, Kshatri. They always discriminate, dominate. That compel to do work without that money, without wages. Okay, it is called untouchability. Therefore, discrimination done by the so-called higher caste to the so-called lower caste people in each term is the untouchability existing in our society. Now, look here, causes of the untouchability. What are the causes of the untouchability? Orthodox religious tradition. Orthodox religious tradition, it means conservative religious practice, which is the product of the Hindu religion, especially who is influenced by Hindu religion and who is following Hindu religion, practice it, discriminate the so-called lower caste people who are from, Kami, Kamai, Sarki community. Look here, ignorance and superstition. Another cause of the untouchability is ignorance, superstition. So many Hindu people and who is greatly seriously influenced by the Hindu religion, such people have been practicing it because they don't know it is superstition. They don't know that it is conservative practice. They think that it is their culture. As a culture, that your grandfather, grandmother are practicing untouchability. You are from new generation, you never discriminate your friend who is lower caste, okay, so-called lower caste. And but your grandfather and grandmother has been practicing it because they don't know that it is conservative practice. It is cause of the Hindu religion. Similarly, feudal social and political nature. Feudal means what? Here in our Nepal, still there is feudal political system, feudal society. People have thousands of bigger land, and those who don't have land, who are what to say, landless, landless. Those are especially being that what to say, torture. They are tortured. They are being behave as a untouchable community. Although they are from other caste community beside untouchable community, they are also being actually behave as a untouchable community. Actually, when that there was feudal political system, people had thousands of bigger land, millions of bigger land at that time. Those rich people used to keep the people from this community, lower caste community, to actually cultivate their land. And in course of time, it actually developed as a that conservative and orthodox religious tradition now in Nepal, and it is still going. Another cause of the untouchability is poverty. If poverty is there, you know that if poverty is there, and if such actually so-called lower caste people are from poor people, they never can, you know, that revolt against this sort of orthodox religious tradition, conservative practices. Although they also know that they are being discriminated, dominated, suppressed, scolded, sexually harassed, physically tortured, mentally tortured. Although they know it, they can't revolt against it because they don't have any person in the government. They don't have relatives in the government offices. They don't have their relatives in the police, army, and so on, to give them justice. Because of this reason, what is happening there? Untouchability is still going on. To be, you know, that to be poor means really bad in Nepal. You know that this is the worst condition. This is the worst situation. I mean, poorness create always worst situation. Look here. Now effects. What are the effects of the untouchability? Bad effects of the untouchability. Now I'm going to tell you about the bad effects of the untouchability. There is feeling of inferiority in some who are forced to feel humiliation, especially who are from so-called untouchable community. They have a feeling of inferiority. They think that they Brahmin, Kshatriya, Rai, Limbu, especially Brahmin, Kshatriya, are superior to them, superior to them. They are actually greater than them. They are more talent than them. This sort of feeling of inferiority is prevailing in their community. Yes, because of this very reason, you know that Brahmin, Kshatriya, Rai, Limbu, Guru, Magar are easily dominating them, suppressing them, exploiting them. Therefore, this is the one of the very bad effect. If anybody has feeling of inferiority in them, difficult to, you know, rescue them from such situation and condition. Similar, another bad effect of the untouchability is opportunities that the so-called high caste and the low caste get are unequal. Opportunities are also being distributed by government to them unequally. You know, untouchable community, from untouchable community, anybody has become prime minister in Nepal so far? No one. Is there any, was there anybody on the post of prime minister from untouchable community? So far, no one. What does it mean? If there is discrimination. Okay, this is the another bad effect. Similarly, others many bad effects are here. Lack of coordination, fraternity, and cooperation. Because of this very reason, भातृत्वको भावना छैन के दाजुभाइ हौँ हामी नेपाली हौँ, we are Nepalese, they are also Nepalese. Such feeling aren't existing in Nepal. He is actually from lower caste. I am from high caste. Okay, I can do anything to them. He is from poor family. Such actually feeling is existing in Nepal. Because of this reason, there is you know that division. There is division in the society. People don't have unity, feeling of unity actually in Nepal. Although unity, there is unity in diversity in Nepal. We say so. We teach in this way to the student. Okay, but in fact, indeed, there is not actually feeling of unity in Nepal. Yes, society gets divided. There is distrust, conflict, disunity in the society too. This actually this conflict. There's conflict. Maoist war took place because of this. One of the cause of the Maoist conflict was untouchability too. There is disunity in the people. Okay, there is distrust among the people. Why there is political instability? Because of the distrust. They can't trust with each other. Okay, because of this reason. Similarly, different castes of people of Nepal also can't trust with each other. Especially, we can't trust. Lower caste people can trust the high caste, so-called high caste people. Similarly, high caste people always try to dominate them. Because of this reason also, there is not a unity, feeling of unity in the nation. This can, if it will keep on increasing, one day there can happen the, you know, that the racial war as well in our Nepal. Okay, some friends are joining at this time. Now look here, some solution measure. 2 minutes only left. Public awakening or bad effect. What are the bad effect of the, you know, untouchability? Must be taught to the people. Yes, and even we have to try to remove the, especially so-called low caste people have to remove the feeling of inferiority. They never should think that so-called high caste people are superior to them. Similarly, spread of education. Education should be spread all over the nation. Especially lower caste people should be given the education free of cost up to university. Social inclusion, those lower caste people, so-called low caste people should be included in a different organization, governmental bodies, that in the government, on the post of prime minister and president also, they should be elected in near future, nominated, they should be nominated in the near future. It is called social inclusion. It might, the develop feeling of equality in them also in near future. It might actually bring drastic change. Okay. Similarly, empowerment of the vulnerable, especially vulnerable means who are known as vulnerable, untouchable communities, low caste people, that those should be empowered by giving them education, training, and so on, that, so that they can actually earn money themselves, but they can actually also at least they can feel that they are also worthful, as important as other people, other caste people, so-called high caste people. If this kind of situation is created there by the Nepal government, by applying these all technique and ideas, okay, in near future, one day this actually untouchability can be just a story and history of nation. Strong legislation is very much important. Strong laws should be formulated, and who practice untouchability must be put into prison for his whole life. If it is done, one day untouchability may disappear from the nation or may be minimized to the great extent. Okay, look at two picture. This picture gives every ideas to you. Okay, I do not want to explain it. What's happening in this first picture? What happening in this second picture? Okay, simply watch it, check it, and actually guess it. Okay, this much for today. Thank you so much. Okay, less than 1 minute late. Have a nice day ahead. Class 10. It was a bit lengthy lesson. I was in a hurry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I hope you have got some
Thank you, sir.
apply it and implement in your life.